Ever wondered how to create stunning product photo shoots without the need for expensive equipment or a professional studio? Introducing ProductScope, the tool that lets you design and market any product in just a day. Here's how it works. First, upload your product image. Next, set your image on the canvas and choose from a variety of stunning themes. Whether it's a minimalist look or a vibrant background, there is something for every style. Now, adjust your product to fit perfectly within the chosen theme. Once you are happy with the setup, click Save to capture your masterpiece. But don't stop there. Explore the different themes available and save as many variations as you like. It's like having a virtual photo shoot with endless possibilities. In just a few clicks, you have created professional-grade product photos ready for marketing. Try ProductScope today and watch your products come to life. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.